This is a mea culpa video. What's that mean? I made a big mistake. When this first came out, I was like, why would anybody want to buy the Flip? It stores up well to the size of a folded Air 4 Pro, 5 Pro, whatever it is, Pro, and the Neo, or the Neo 2. So I couldn't understand why anybody would want it. When it got down to $309 for 2 batteries, because I have controllers, I decided, yeah, I'm going to try it out. I'm going to see what's going on here. And I tell you what, I wish I would have bought it sooner, although I'm really happy with the $309 price. Why is this better than the Neos or the Air 4 Pro, 5 Pro, whatever it is? Number one, at least for the Air 4 Pro, you got the same camera in these two. But you got the protection that's in the Neo. That is a big plus. In theory, you can fly this over people. You could fly this over people and you're probably safe and you have to get waivers, or you can buy the protection, then you can fly it over people as long as you're careful, and there's all sorts of restrictions there in Part 107. But this is already set up for that. This has obstacle avoidance. This has minimal obstacle avoidance. How many times have I used obstacle avoidance on the Mini 4 Pro? Well, I've tried to fly into tight spaces just to see what it would do. It was a pain, and it rejected the ability to go through tight spaces. This is a tank. It goes through those spaces. Unlike this, the blades would be damaged or have hit things. This is protected. When I have a choice between flying one of these three, this is the one I go for. Now, why did I get the Neo? Well, I wanted a FPV experience, and you got goggles and a controller, and it's fun. Don't get me wrong, it's a lot of fun. And if you want an FPV experience, it's rather inexpensive, and you can do a lot of fun things with it. This doesn't work with this. Kind of a pain that it doesn't work with this. It does work with this, and you can fly this and this with a phone. Not sure you can fly the Mini 4 Pro with a phone, at least using the DJI Fly software. I've got a video on how you can use this for a walk around, talk around, blog, whatever it is. Perfect for that. Can you get this kind of experience with the Mini 4 Pro and the Flip? Yes. And how can you do that? With these Ray Neo Air 4 Pros. And you can get goggles-like experience without the goggles pain. The goggles get hot. I know there's a fan in here, and that's what people will say, but hot, heavy, and you can't see your quadcopter when it's in the air, only on the screen. This is the next option. You put this on, you plug it into your phone, plug it into the RC2 controller, and you can fly it, and it's great. And this gives you a goggle/HUD-like experience. By the way, this is all unsponsored. I paid for all this gear with my own money. I just like to share things that I'm learning. And the great thing about flying any of these with the Ray Neo Air 4s connected to this or your phone is it gives you 201 inches, thick 16.8 feet. It's just this wide screen, and you can control what they call the nits, and you can make the screen transparent or completely black. Transparent makes it great because then you can see the quadcopter just like I'm seeing it right now in front of you. You can also see it through your periphery down. You can look at the controller, but the other great thing about it is you don't have to look at the controller because all of the controls are being manifested in this giant HUD screen. When you're controlling it with your phone, see the controls move in the space. It's amazing, this technology. Mea culpa on the Flip. I think it is the best. If you put this in a blender, hit frappe, you would get the Flip. Don't discount the Flip. It's a lot of fun and it keeps you safe. Plus the Ray Neo Air 4 Pros just take all of this to the next level. Thumbs up and comments always appreciated. Thanks for watching. If you're interested in all sorts of technology reviews, of things that you wouldn't think connect, making and breaking things, designs of all kinds, I even do costumes, cosplay, and props. Check out my channel and please subscribe, because you never know what magic connection you're gonna see.